What's up, YouTube? Today it's your boy SauceMyDude coming at you with another unboxing video. Sorry it's been a minute. So I'm moving. I moved provinces. So when I ordered it, I bought it on drop, and then I ordered it to my new address because I didn't know how long it would take because shipping in Canada can be pretty whack. So I got it once I got to my new house, and then I've just been so busy unpacking and hanging out with my nieces and my family and everything that, sorry, this one's a little late. I think it's probably a month after they came out, but I wanted to record it for this, so I'm going to. So anyways, let's get into it. This is a Sonic the Hedgehog keyboard that comes with from Higround. On one side is Sonic, and then the other side is Shadow. Yeah, and I actually didn't look too deep into it. I was really into it because it's like a hot swappable PCB, all that good stuff. I'm not super familiar with the custom keyboard scene or anything, but I want to get into it, so I felt like this is a pretty good way, and not to mention, it's a dope keyboard. So anyways, we're going to get into the bread. This is the box. I ripped all the labels off this time, so I didn't have to put a SauceMyDude logo on it. Oh yeah, also, new SauceMyDude logo. Sick, right? Yeah. I put it right there. Alright. So let's get into this. We're going to open up the box here. I'm super fucking stoked. Not going to lie. Super stoked. And I'm pretty new to these whole unboxing videos. So, like... What? Oh. Alright, well. Apparently the box wants me to open it like this. So we're going to. Oh. Alright, big rip. Big rip. Alright. The knife here, put it off the side. Let's open it up. This bad boy. Let's check it out. Ooh. Alright, so there's some paper. I said ooh because I saw the box. It looks fucking sick. Oh damn, just look at that box. Oh man. Ooh, that looks sick. Look at that. Isn't that fucking sick? Dude. So sick. So it comes with, so we got, there's a key puller, a cord, and I think that's another key puller. I think we got two different ones. Yeah, obviously it comes with Type-C. Oh yeah. So let's throw this bitch out of here. Oh yeah, so big high ground height. I got the mouse pad too. AOT baby. So it's kind of cool. So for me, I thought this was perfect for me because one of the first games I really went super hard into gaming was Sonic on the GameCube. I think it was Sonic Adventures 2. Is that what it's called? I don't know. I used to play a shit ton of Sonic on the GameCube. I loved it. So I felt like this was pretty fitting to get a keyboard for that was sick as shit. So I just felt like this was almost like made for me. But, oh dude, that box is so sick. Does it say anything cool on it? Oh, it does. Okay, let me redo this. Higround is premium gaming hardware and lifestyle brand co-founded by Rustin, Sudode, and Kalu. Our mission is to be expression of elevated gaming culture. So that's pretty similar to the AOT one. But yeah, cool. Let's get into this. I like this box so far. It has a nice little... Alright. Nice little tabs. Oh, yeah. You ready? Oh! The box. I don't know if you can see it. It says look better up here. That's like just the little details. They're sick, bro. So sick. And then we got, thanks for copping a Higround keyboard and joining us at a journey of redefining hardware. Oh, then it gives you all the RGB, shortcuts and functions and all that, and then you also get multimedia. Just a bunch of different shortcuts. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. And then tells you to join the Discord. But yeah, gives you all the stuff here. Yeah. But not even important. Alright, guys. Oh, shit! This is sick. I don't want to screw up the paper or anything, though. I'm kind of scared. Oh. Okay. I want to keep this all. Oh, wow. It's actually, like, decent weight. Shit, it comes with stickers. Higround. That's sick. Alright. Put this off to the side. Oh yeah, not an ad, by the way. This is just me being a fanboy. Alright. Let me just get this in a good spot to have a real nice review. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh, dude! That is so sick. Wait, we need this though. Oh! You guys hear that? Oh! That is so satisfying. It's actually pretty good. And then the bottom. Oh, it says what number I got. I got 695. That's sick. Oh my god. This is just sick. It's so nice and light. One thing I don't like about it right off rip, though, is that it doesn't have the tabs that you can, like, adjust the height to. But, I don't know. Let's see. I mean, it should be fine. It's heavy. I mean, I don't know, compared to my old one. Let's see. The height difference. Yeah, so it's a little bit lower than my current one, but I don't know. I'm going to give it a try, and that one I'll keep you guys updated on, but yeah, it's just a little bit lower up top. But all in all, like, feels like it's at a pretty good height to be like a set height, even though I'm not super huge on that. Oh, these keys feel so nice. What's the switches? TTC Speed Silver switches. Interesting. All right. So let's get into the other goodies. That is so sick, though. Damn. Sonic Shadow. It looks so good. It probably looks like mumbo jumbo on your screen, but on like this perspective, it actually looks pretty sick. Oh, I love it. I fucking love it. It's sick. All right. Let's get into these other goodies here. Oh, what? Oh, sick. Okay, so the box actually just does this. And then you get all the goodies underneath. Alright. Then I'll show you this. So you get a actually pretty decent Type-C cord. It's braided, so that's always good. Yeah, it just looks like a pretty decent cable. I mean, it's not gold plated, but like that's really okay. I'll probably just use my Ducky one because it is gold plated, but still a nice cable. Like, it's braided. It has, you know, it's still nice though. Like, it's still a good quality cable. But yeah, and then, oh, this key puller is nice though. And I think this is for stabilizers, actually. If I'm not mistaken, this is for stabilizers. To take out your stabilizers. Or to pull the switches. Like, not your keycaps, but to actually pull the switches out of the board. I think that's actually what it's for. Not 100% sure. But, yeah. I mean, I see that people do this all the time, so we're going to do that. We're going to take a look. So, yeah, as you see, I just took this guy off here. So that's what the switch looks like. And now I think we're going to attempt to pull it out. What I think this is for. Oh yeah, it's for sure for that. Oh! So yeah. And then these are the little switches. Oh. Sounds good. Alright. And then... Oh, you might want to see this. So as you see, there's like it's like, I don't know if it's aluminum. I think it's an aluminum plate underneath. But yeah, you can like switch out your switches and everything. Whatever, you know. All that good stuff. This is cool though. So I wanted to custom build a keyboard, but I was like, oh man, it's just so expensive. And like, where do you start? And like, blah, 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 blah. How the fuck do I put this back in? Uh-oh. Is it just... It doesn't feel like I'm getting it in right. Did I have it the wrong way, maybe? I think so. Yeah, I definitely had it the wrong way. I mean, I'm not... So, I wanted to custom build a keyboard, but then I was looking at it, and everything I wanted was, like, mad, crazy fucking expensive. And I just, like, got intimidated and didn't want to do it. So, yeah, this is a good place for me to start, I feel. It's also got the Type-C in the middle, which I don't really love. I like to have them out on, like, the left side, but I mean, it doesn't really make or break it, but we're going to plug this in to see the RGB. Alright. Let's check it out. Ooh, ooh. Oh, damn. That's actually so nice. So it shines through the side and everything. That looks cool. I like that. I wish they had a little bit of a diffuser to, like, make this not look so you couldn't see the lights. But, I don't know. The lights actually look kind of sick. And, like, maybe they did it on purpose because, like, look at this effect. You know what I mean? Like, because I feel like that wouldn't look as good with a diffuser. But, I don't know. It looks good, man. I like it's pretty bright. Like, it's nice. It feels good. I don't really know how to review a fucking keyboard. All I can say is it's nice. I like it. I think it looks sick. I'm pretty happy with it. So, it is what it is, man. It's good. I don't know what else to show you, but I think it's fucking sick. It's rad. I'm pretty happy with it. It is on the pricey side. Like, it's the most expensive keyboard I've ever bought. I think it was like $240 Canadian, I think I paid, which is like, it's a pretty hefty price for a keyboard. But, I mean, all things considered, like, it's a customizable keyboard, right? Like, I can change everything if I really want. I can put pads inside, like foam plate or foam insert, whatever the fuck it's called. Like, I can do whatever I want with this keyboard now. So I definitely think it's a good place to start for me to start custom building keyboards and stuff like that. Because also with my computer, when I bought my first computer, it was it wasn't pre-built, but someone built it before, and I just worked on upgrading parts and changing throughout. So I'm kind of taking the same approach with building custom keyboards because it is something that interests me, but it's expensive to get into. You know, you don't have time. You can't learn as you go a lot of the time. So for me, I feel like this is the best way to start, especially for a custom keyboard, because from what I see and what I've learned, it seems to be a lot more difficult than building a computer. So... But yeah, that's the video, guys. I want to thank you all for coming through and watching and spending time with me. Thanks, dudes. Keep it saucy and take care and peace.